Hey guys, what's going on? Let me tell y'all what happened. I'm just putting another lipstick on top of the one I had. This is one of the new Buxton glosses. The Viva Pump. This is in Lights Down. Y'all see this in the haul. I'm probably seeing it in the haul because I'm uploading that now. But I started editing this video and realized I forgot to do the intro. So the hair is still looking good. And in the video, I did it different than in my other videos because I want to show you guys how I get my wigs to stay in place. So I might as well show you now. I put this wig on this morning about 11 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock at night. And you see, this girl ain't moving. I mean, she there. So I just thought I'd let y'all know since I forgot the intro. But anyway, let me tell you about this girl. This is a Beshe Lady Lace Spin Part. It's a deep part lace wig. This is Spin7. She's in a TT1B 2730. And I decided to go with wearing her over to the side. She is a whole lot of hair. A lot of hair. And I don't know. I guess you got to be used to... Get off of here. It's the net. Managing long hair. Because she giving me the blues. I'm not used to managing long hair. And every time I turn around, I'm pulling her around or putting her somewhere. Because the hair on my neck. But she's a nice unit. It's just... me in long hair, and look at that part. That part is insane. And those little baby hairs. I didn't cut them. This was already in the unit. But anyway, if you want to see the reviews, the specs on Miss, what's her name? She don't have a name. I don't like that. I said I was going to name her, but she been giving me the blues with all this hair, so I didn't have time. But we're going to go with what it is. The spin part. She spins 7. That's what number she is. So I'm assuming it's a lot of layers. I just grabbed this one. So if you want to see the specs, the ins and outs of Miss Spin 7, stay tuned. The video come right up. Talk to you later. Okay, guys. I just had to do this video a lot different because so many people ask me how I got the wig, just the regular wig, to stick. So I just have to do the video different so I can show you guys how I got it to that point. In the last video I did. Yeah, okay. Anyway, this is the unit we're going to be rocking this week. This is what she looks like. And yes, she long. So we're going to see how I handle this. You know I don't rock long hair. This is the spin part, deep part lace. Does this girl have a name? LLDP Spin 7. So I guess that's just what her name gonna be. Oh, poor baby, I'm gonna have to give you a name. But she is by Beshe. There we go, right there. And let's get her open. I like the color. What color does it say? A TT1B 2730. Let's get her open. Oh, she got little baby hairs. I might like her. Oh, but she's so long. She is really long. We gonna see. We gonna see. Look at them little baby hairs. Let me take this off. The lace is a really soft lace. Let me cut this off. The little hang tag. Okay. She is long. I keep saying that, y'all. Y'all know I got problems with long hair. Oh. Okay. All right. That's what the little baby hairs look like up there. It's a really nice parting space, too. Okay. She has 2 combs in the top. Oh, that's a lace part. The part. So you have to rock that part the direction that you turn the hair. It looks like she's going to be whichever way you turn her. Because like in the pictures, They did a middle part and a side part, so it's wherever you turn the part. And she's got some nice little curly baby hairs right here. And the inside the cap, there's a comb in the back. And I guess these little things, if you want to pull her up, you could pull her up. So let me get this lace cut off and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got all the lace cut off the back. I know I'm going to have to find some for all the flyaways because they will rock my last nerves. But this hair is pretty. Look at that. Ooh. Smells like nothing. I don't know why I had to smell it. But let me show you guys. I just finished shampooing my hair. Yeah, I know it's time for me to die. Get out of here. But I'm going to take this little got to be glued. This is a little bitty one I have. I got a big one, but I'm trying to use this little bitty one up. And I know a lot of people say they have issues with this got to be glued, taking their hair out. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all ain't taking them wigs off right. When you put this got to be glued on your edges, it's actually growing my edges. You don't just snatch that wig off, honey. You got to put you some water around them edges. You have to. If you don't, your hair gonna come out when that wig come up. So get you a spray bottle, put some water in it, and once you put the water in it, the wig will just slide right off, leaving your hair intact. You can't get in a rush to do everything, okay? Then I'm gonna use some of this got to be glued spray. Just a little. And put on my little stocking. And I don't bring it all the way down, I just bring it halfway down. My hair is wet still, so. But I'm just doing this to show you guys. And this is the hair I'm wearing tomorrow. So I always open it up and, you know, let you guys check it out. And then I rock it all week. If I like it. This is how I get that wig to stick where I want it. Okay, guys. Let me get a makeup wipe and get this sticky stuff off my fingers. Ooh, that didn't sound good, did it? Y'all better stop playing. Okay, let's pop this baby. She's cute. That's a pretty long part. Look how long that part is. Okay. Yeah, I know I want a side part. Me and them front parts don't get along. But I pulled the wig up to where I didn't, you know, a little bit in front of the cap. Right in front of it. Now, I hadn't anticipated these little baby hairs, but I'm going to work them out. I'm happy to have them. Gotta get that curl up off of them though. I don't need no little curly hairs in my face. I'm just gonna spray them and get them good and wet. That's a pretty good part. Okay. Now I want my part to stick down as well as my baby hairs. So this is how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna spray that part and pump it up. Yes, this pump it up. Your hair ain't going nowhere. It is the truth. I'm just putting some around these little baby hairs. Okay. I'm not going to do much to them right now because they're not going to really do what I want them to do. That's it. You're going to have to get out of my face already. This hair is so freaking long. Okay, now let me show y'all the trick. This is any wig, not just this wig, but I'm gonna show y'all. Take your headband or do-rag or whatever you have, put it right around that edge where you want it to be and where you want, you want it tight. Right around, not so tight you get a headache, but just tight. Tight enough to press the hair into the products. Alrighty. Now, this is some freaking long hair. I know I keep saying that, but y'all know I'm gonna find some oil to spray it with because this hair is really, really long. Not tangling, but it's super long. Okay, now I'm gonna go put on my makeup and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Looking good. Face all done. Ready for the fall if y'all can't tell. But anyway, let's get to this wig. I'm gonna tell y'all what took me so long. It took me a really long time. Not really. I was watching videos while I was doing my makeup. You guys don't watch Desi 1016? Desi 1016. I think it's just Desi right now. Or she may add a 1016. Yeah, she just did a potato soup. And I had to stop what I was doing, run to Kroger's to get the ingredients for that potato soup. And I was watching, I think it's Jackie. I can't remember my last name. Jackie. Ugh. I just remember Jackie. She did a video with potatoes and sausage. So my idea was to make that potato soup, put that sausage, cheese, and bacon, and bam, it's gonna be a Sunday meal and leftovers for work tomorrow. But anyway, okay, yeah, let's get this off so I can show y'all how this wig gonna be looking like my hair. It would be my luck it didn't work the one time. Oh yeah, we good. We good. Now see, y'all see where I messed up at. I should have went ahead and did my baby hairs, but I didn't think them little suckers was gonna stick. But we good. We good. But let me show y'all this wig. It ain't glued on. It ain't going nowhere. That was the whole purpose. Now, let me brush this hair down and get it in order. Because I'm finna go down here and make my potato soup. I'm just telling y'all. This is a lot of hair. That's my only complaint. Other than that, I like this unit. And I probably will. I just probably will wear it tomorrow. I won't wear it all week. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I won't wear it all week. It is a little tangly. I won't wear it all week, but because it's long hair. Not because it's the unit's fault. It's long hair, and I'm just not partial to long hair. Let's fix this part, and we going to be Gucci. I just got this little Color Pop powder. I don't like this powder, so I'm going to try it and see how it works in my part. It works good. Good. I hate to waste product. I throw stuff away. So this is what this powder gonna be doing for me from here on out. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with that little dark one. It kind of turned hard paying on me after one use. So, but oh well. It's, we want run and try stuff and want it to work for us, but not everything works. So that's neither here nor there. But you can always repurpose it and use it for something else. Nothing lost at all. Now, put a little more spray. A little more spray to pump it up in there. Y'all look at that part. Look at that part. I see some spots I missed. And that is a long tail part. Think about what I was going to say. Look at that. And ain't no strong wind gonna take my hair off. It's gonna be here. Now, the only reason I'm putting a little spritz to pump it up throughout the hair is for these little flyaways. I just want to tame them. Yeah, I know I'm catching it with this hair in my eye. Maybe I should have did a, yeah, that's good right there. I'm gonna say maybe I should have did a center part. Let me get this hair from back here. Ooh, I feel sexy. Okay, y'all, let me let y'all see the back. I'm tripping. I almost forgot. This is some really, really long hair. Really long hair. I ain't gonna say that no more, I promise. Okay, guys. That's it. That is me review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all having a wonderful, blessed Sunday afternoon. I've been sitting in this room doing videos all day, so I can have something to put up during the week. Because y'all know I'm on 8 to 5 like a regular person now instead of 3 12s. But okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. I hope you enjoyed this review. And I hope you guys like this little Miss Spiny7 hair by Beshe. I don't know. Maybe I'll try that front part. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll get that front part and go just one time. Okay, guys. I'll talk to you later. Stay blessed. Bye.